I know sometimes when you're traveling around on your Arabian desert, beach, what have you, come across a good old American muscle car. Everybody's got to get a little piece of America. That's a real beauty right there. 1.4 nanoliter horsepower engine. Good old American muscle, found right here in the Arabian desert. That's America.
Yeah, it is. Good old fashioned muscle car. Oh, what we got here is a dirty pan. I was gonna clean it a little more, but I thought fuck it. I'm just gonna throw it in a plastic bag and who gives a shit. My dad said he didn't care if you get the bag, so fuck it.
That's why we call him haphazardly Hal.
Haphazardly Hal.
Haphazardly House is fuck it. Just like America. America!
If it can be done, it can be done haphazardly. It's usually a little more fun that way.
This is true.
No one ever had fun being a safety Sam.
See, because Safety Sam doesn't get all the ladies. Well, I guess it should be.
Haphazardly Hal does. Well, not all the ladies, but the occasional lady. I've had my fair share. I do alright.
Here we come across the fabled site, the gods of Miller. Our band babysitter, Miss O'Clock, presiding. Yeah, we need that. See, herbal remedies are a must when you're out on the road. You never know what you're going to come across. You just want to get stoned. It's a true story. Isn't that right? Oh shit, there's life up there. See, we didn't come prepared with a script, so I'm gonna go for the batter desk. Keep it metal.